Michael, here we go, man. You're going to try one of these super breaks. This is case number 41 of 200. One on top, 5 on bottom. Number 1. Easy enough. We have number 3 left from the last one, so we'll go 1, 2, 4, 5. Oh, show the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Also, Michael, gonna try one of these old Star Wars, and you wanted box number 7. Yeah, I'm down to my last 3. You're getting 1, someone else is getting 1, so I think that's gonna leave exactly 1 left over. But you wanted to go box number 7. 2014 Masterworks. Hope everything's going well in Afghanistan, man. Over there for you. Alrighty. We have Stormtrooper. Forlom. General Grievous. Dr. Evazan. Honda Baba. Okay. And that one is not numbered. Okay. And then one of these numbered to 129, Luke Skywalker. Leia's Blaster. There you go. You just did that 1, 6, $8. Alright, we have Obi-Wan Kenobi, Count Dooku, Aura Singh, Ewan and Liam, and a sketch, 1 of 1, Luke Skywalker. I am your father. Is he? Pack 3. Chewie, Chewbacca, Luke, Emperor, that's the gold version, numbered to 99 on that one, Anakin, another sketch, got 2 in this one, another sketch card, that one is Eric Lettinen, sketch number 2. And the last pack here, Michael. Of Star Wars. Owen Lars. Qui-Gon Jinn. Commander Kobe. Not numbered. Zam Wessel, numbered to 299. And Aura Singh autograph. That's Michonne. How did I say her last name? There we go. Congratulations. Aura Singh autograph. Alrighty, that's Star Wars. Now we'll try the Super Break Basketball. Looks like Michael Jordan, 9.5, 10. Pretty nice. 11-12 SP Authentic, Michael Jordan, 9.5, 10. Michael Jordan. There you go. 9.5, 10. It's the first Jordan we pulled out of this stuff, autograph-wise. Actually, anything. Even base card. All right, pretty cool. Thanks, Michael. I'll get it on the way.